Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the area. Respirator, gloves, ventilation, and drop cloths. Next, strain the paint and thin it to the recommended viscosity so it atomizes cleanly. A rough target is 1/2 to 1 poise equivalent flow for most lacquers and acrylics. Once done, attach the nozzle and set the HVLP to low pressure. Then test spray on a scrap piece at about 6 to 8 inches to confirm fan width and droplet pattern before moving. You now concentrate on consistent motion and coverage. Hold the gun 6 to 8 inches from the surface, square at 90 degrees, and move at a steady pace, roughly 8 to 12 inches per second, so droplets lay uniformly. Make each pass overlap the previous by about 50%. Once the first coat has flashed, apply a cross coat to eliminate streaks. Remember to spray thin, multiple coats rather than one heavy pass. This prevents runs, promotes smooth atomization, and reduces orange peel. You finish by respecting dry and cure times. Follow the paint's stated recoat window and wait until tack-free before handling. When done, flush the HVLP with the recommended solvent, disassemble the cup, nozzle, needle, and filters, and clean thoroughly to prevent clogs. If you spot orange peel or runs, don't panic. Sand smooth with fine grit, check and correct viscosity and pressure, then reapply thin, even coats. This one adjustment usually fixes surface texture without wasting material.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.